they've upgraded on Nilna. That is the context you should see what they are doing with.
Why they upgrade?
Endo.
Or they upgrade of
Nilna.
Bijo.
Yeah, true.
Wataru Endo. Or you upgrade of James
Nilna.
How? Say
so just squad player.
Saying Chemi.
Now no more here Liverpool born no. So you 3 midfielders now the boss how much now? 2. And the midfielders, one the attacker now almost train the baby shame be.
SOMPA Sports.
In Cody Gakpo. Liverpool was 6 attackers from the Umbo League. Left-footed for near me, no. Bendok, Salah. In Fifino, Omuyo 2, Jota, and a Gakpo. And then right-footed wingers, no. Diaz, and a Darwin Nunes. But when you come into the middle, they have only 2 game nephew. I think Jeff can I'm beginning to. When I started following them, you know Nakamura.
Yeah.
Post Nakamura. Almost some of the most technically gifted midfielders you see from Asia. And one person, was it that 2010 or 2014? No, probably 2018. 2018, Abeka said, Makoto Hasebe.
Yeah, Hasebe. I'm a captain.
Look. I'm on Belgium, you know.
Yes.
Now, he's the guy. So, how come Japan are producing technically well-equipped players like this? You get a point. Media for the Japanese standard, defensive midfielder from the standard bearer is Makoto Hasebe. Look, I mean, on the packets yet, but I mean, but exactly. In Timika, they have moved away, but I needed to establish the premise. The context of the signing wouldn't be lost on people. But a day now, Japan they produce this sort of technically gifted midfielder. Japan midfielder and Kaupiana also auto form.
Yes.
Pokunti Asamoka Hano. It goes back to that. That in the past, any on Boba, ye pipia or more, ye so was saying money a bullion. Now, almost more. Hiroki Sakai.
Yeah.
Maya Yoshida. All of a sudden, they are producing technically skilled players. I'm not even interested in Mitoma and the rest.
SOMPA Sports.
No. But then I'm on Mutimias add no more, no. Then I'm more saying. So they would get the centre back option. I'm say they are inching gradually closer to Sheikh Dokure. But the other word on the street in Sunisa, there's a midfielder in the Premier League with a release clause that is smaller, and that is Boubacar Kamara. But they are worried about his injury records, and that's what is holding them back. And whenever they get a starting central defensive midfielder, he elevates their play quickly. He quickly.
I feel more Jumayo.
Yeah.
Where Jumaye pa.
But Alajuo, you know, Omukai, Shada Hayaka.
Alajuai.
Salah. He's there.
Alajuboyo boy in Amodi Huye.
Man was saying I'm in a gym.
I be your Jane and Wallaju. I china like you come an article. Alaju
come in and offside now by the end.
But an article
of Rademba.
Bobby, I made Teams Liverpool Man City born now. More bonnet can any the either no as a Via and Yaman City job.
Yeah, it's true.
Among Yaman City job, 18 young can run or you almost simple cry. But meaning
a beba.
A Kovacic was on Bebrepa.
Are they?
Be up. Kovacic born and no near tactics on me. You
no, but they hear technical security. And until so come market no. Look, I'm my favorites for the league. But say De Bruyne and Mbobo Nibia. Now so they are not replacing Mahrez like for like. Gundogan so someone replacing the like for like because they Gundogan Bema on. Kovacic wouldn't offer you. Kukafor you go say any end product.
I'm not muy body Pierre be
sports.
It's a problem, man. But he would find a way. Or no, he can either solve at the training ground and also come market at Probiaba.
So government
early days said after 10 games no. Yeah. What there is a reason why everybody is interested in Johan Bakayoko.
Bakayoko.
Oh yeah, me was some of them in the picture.
Yeah, you want Bakayoko.
Kwaku, there is a reason why everybody is.
What are you?
He's explosive. He's rapid.
I know it. No,
Nimbo. So I couldn't do anything. And that's the first point of my discussion on him. On Nyedech.
Sir.
David, boy, could you and I want our ball. Into the natural genes, football come why mono and Nyedech, but he will be trained to play the Dutch way. That's the first thing. Now I'm here Tom Grass. Someone on the video no matter. So Tom Ball no about. He's that direct. Oh, Jonathan Bamba.
Yes.
About so direct. That's what this boy does. Burnley alcohol, PSG alcohol, Everton wo. Omo do kwado munyam free ho. Liverpool susu bisana se. Enchebia so nya left wing.
Left footed.
Hey. Very left. Very, very left. Omo Storm Grass no. Oma Isaac Babadi, that's first goal. And then Luke Dion, a double. Now, you senior, like he's that rapid, Kweku. He's very, very rapid.
Yo, we only be replacing Madu Ikana.
No, that's the problem. No Oprah, no Oba, no Oprah, no Oba. They were introducing him gradually.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm catching myself. Matt Buchanan is not even the top 3 player in that team.
Now this is uncommon.
Meaning the entire Mudru Hono Mukoya. Maybe I'm pay English and it's our own grown India. But look, he's rapid. He's very rapid. And already 20. And there is room for development. Some Champions League qualifiers now. You could clearly see. But the system would replace you. System no, I replace Gakpo with Isaac Babadi. No?
Oh, okay.
And then he is here. Into what we have left-footed player Biano, we any Doku. Profile-wise, they are very similar. Very, very similar. Very similar.
But I'm on conference as almost say you crew for the on Belgium so bishop you crew for no pow. I be before no pow.
Ya be didn't quite the Albefe Biaba. One yen sa any near woman.
I be the PSV so the almost the left footed winger Biaba no it was on a Robin fee.
Aye, you nana. A more fine production line. Very fine production.
All I don't know airball. Airball.
Mira. Now you can't do Asem. In this transfer market, Crystal Palace could potentially lose Zaha, Michael Olise, and then Dukure. Why no Moka Kofa Naba? Omakofa Jefferson Lema. Sankoni Dukure mebo double pivot. Double six for me, you know. A classic Roy Hodgson. Sao breaking down Obebre. But here they ran in May. On the last 5 or 6 matches, no. Crystal Palace matches on Bebono, and they all screaming, so no. So we are running we are. Nura, and then I say Crystal Palace, no. Senyamia memoir, the biabit me see. Anything at all could happen to them. Anything at all, Nura. The biabit me at all. Because can the obinya. Now why na boka kofanaba window na kasing. It's something for Parish and Roy Hodgson. So boka kodrin ho. Mo 1070 bebre ne man nema e Saudi Arabia. Be man the cast way, be man the way. Debbie. You are losing the focus of the discussion. What who now no match be on Bowie, Ality had match on Bowie.
Yeah.
Fan bidding the Rolex watch, Echo Ball Fabinho San. Good. Monomu did atem. And as somebody throw Twitter any baby say player we were you we or a beast. Oh we or a but look, Saudi Arabia person do football no. And my football stars no the ordinary man on the street population no. They have a huge amount of their population liking football, and they are under 40. Saudi Arabia are a youthful population. And see, granting them this kind of access, Fabinho. On any didn't come on man Rolex watch. Uncle is me cancer no me nyɛ sure say obi tam Rolex watch e de ma Fabinho for ball obotia Barcelona in that Champions League semi-final.
Dabi
Masa access crowd obenya wo mo ho no this omo de omo car a free training ground no akogina no ma sign bibi and a match ukra bana bi give me your JC Abu Dhabi no de aba ana bibi
ana no Miami akopɔnche obi ani ho Messi wunti wunya video ni bi
so
po akwa na mamuja pramness
so but you see Saudi Arabia for na de no mo yen again when ye China na ngasa ball no omo mpena na omo nimbo. But Saudi Arabia was some of the best clubs in Asia. Kashima Antlers, John Book Motors. But when you come there, Al Hilal is the most successful club in the Asian Champions League. Etihad, Al Nasser, and Al Ittihad Jeddah. Clearly, I say Kabi Bicham. I say Kabi Bicham Bia. I say look, and if we plan your mafia. One, publicity. Koye mo papa. Opa, bomodia real numbers of impressions based on tweets about Saudi Arabian players. And our players on board Saudi League. No, kwaku be be di on.
Yo, about some bro na.